know, man. I'm gonna let you guys be the judge, but I heard 1-3. Break it, break it.
Check, check. No pain. 1-3. There's no pain, no strain, but 1-3 be on top, man. It's all in the friendly competition. 131, Stepping Stone Island. Mag Mount, Cobra 25. 131, Stepping Stone with my Mag Mount and my Cobra 125 being on down off the key.
I can get this duck looking rolling again, there, local boy. Let's see how that wizard builds doing. But I don't know, that 1-3. And that snake ain't grass, they got some big maws. They got some big maws, man. But if you want to try the mix, I don't know, we'll let them go. I'll do it one more time and tie it on up with my water gates. 131, water gates rolling. Break it, break it.
Like I said, taking a ride, taking the back seat, taking a ride, taking the back seat, taking a ride. Mr. 131, Stepping Stone, Mag Mount, Cobra 25. Mr. 131, Stepping Stone went Mag Mount, Cobra 25. Got up, got down off the key. I'll see ya.
Right, you're on the 3000, man. You're on the phone to 3087. That's certainly a good amplifier, man. I know the bigger guys out there in that state, though, man. You ain't get the biggest that I know of, but right now, man, you're making a whole lot of noise. But I do like that 3000, man. I got a nice mobile one and a nice bass one myself, man. Definitely good amplifier. But anyway, here's where you sounded, man. You got a lockdown mode. Break it. I got the biggest mall in Hawaii, 131. 131, I got the biggest mall. I got the biggest mall in the 50th state. Take it 131, local boy, 3087, right south. The Watergate has spoken. Break it, break it.
Check, check. Okay, 131. I'm gonna get down off the key because we gotta get going, man. 131, Stepping Stone, undercover. Hey, Mr. 131, Stepping Stone is undercover. We'll see ya.
Hey, rough Danny. That's all you need, man. Just a little bit of modulation. And,